Hi, my name is Rachel with Avery Products. Today I want to talk about white underprint, what it is, and when you can use it for your product labeling with our WePrint services. White underprint is used to create a layer of white ink beneath your design to reduce the transparency of your artwork. This makes the colors in your design bright and stand out on the label material. It also allows you to control the look of the design no matter the color of the object you apply it to. Let's go over some examples on how you can use white underprint with your clear label products. If you have a dark colored container, applying white ink to your design helps ensure that your artwork is not lost in the background. As another example, if you use partial white underprint on clear labels, you can create windows that help feature your product. You can achieve this by applying white underprint to only certain parts of your design while leaving the window portion blank. We can even achieve a no label or printed on effect by applying white ink onto a clear label. This allows you to use a standard label shape instead of a custom shape label to achieve the same effect. If the contents of your container has a white color, white underprint may not be needed. Instead, the white background acts as the white underprint for the label, but it is important to consider what the label would look like if the container is empty. We can also use white underprint on a variety of label materials with our WePrint services. Applying white underprint to a craft brown label allows the colors to print bright and vibrant. Without white ink, the colors in your design blend with the craft material, achieving more of an earth tone appearance. On chrome or silver metallic labels, white underprint removes the silver and metallic effect. And without white ink, the metallic color shows through your design. If you're interested in learning more about our white underprint options, please contact our care team at avery.com/help. Thank you for using genuine Avery products.